Conscious leadership is not just an important skill set for each one of us as leaders to develop. This is going to be integral to the survival of humanity and our creation of a better world. I'm going to start with the definition, just so that we're all on the same page. Conscious leadership, just like it sounds, involves the awareness of what's going on around us. And because of this awareness, we're able to make the best, most ethical decisions that benefit the good of all. A conscious leader puts ego aside and leads with what I call tough love, because we have to be able to make decisions that are hard sometimes, but we know for the overriding big vision of what's best for everyone, we know it's the right decision to make. Those tough decisions that mean a little bit of short-term inconvenience have to be made for the good of all. This is what conscious leadership is, and it's going to be important that we don't just foster it within ourselves, but we help it proliferate throughout the globe. The way to do this is to start with yourself. Absolutely. We can lead by example and through our energy as conscious leaders and start a ripple effect. Because when we lead with love and compassion and always doing the right thing, others will follow. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.